Welcome to online class. I hope all of you are well and safe. Today I want to discuss about chapter 6 chemical structure. This is your revision class. So the topics for today: atomic structure, atomic number, atomic mass or mass number, isotopes and its importance, and a creative question, which is that P is an element of atomic number 11 and mass number 23, and Q is another element of atomic number 17. This is the stem of creative question. Number A, what is mass number? Number B, what do you mean by isotopes? Calculate the proton, electron and neutron number of P element. Number D, describe the formation of PQ compound with equation. And this is the creative question for today. Now first, atomic structure. If we analyze the atomic structure, we will find electron, proton and neutron. According to the Rutherford model, the structure of an atom is, or the shape of atom is circular. So protons and neutrons are present in the center of the atom, where electron moves around the nucleus in a certain orbit or path. So this is the structure of an atom, where proton and neutrons are present at the center of that atom, proton and neutron, and electrons move around the nucleus in a certain orbit. So this is the structure of an atom. Next, atomic number. So what is atomic number? The number of protons that present in the nucleus of an atom of an element is known as atomic number. So atomic number means the number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom of an element. Next, mass number. And the number of proton and the number of electron are equal in an atom. Next, mass number. So what is mass number? Mass number is the summation of proton and neutron. The proton number and mass number, the summation of proton number and mass number is known as the number of protons, and the number of neutrons. The summation of proton and neutrons in an atom is known as mass number. So atomic number, mass number, atomic structure already we have discussed. Now if an element is given, this is a symbol of an element, where X is any element where A is the mass number of X element and Z is the proton number or atomic number of that X element. So this is the term of this case. It may be either this type or maybe this type, but symbols will be the same, where X is any element, A is the mass number of that X element, and Z is proton number or atomic number. Now isotopes. Here isotope. Next term isotope. The atom of an element that have same atomic number or proton number but different mass number is known as isotope. Suppose hydrogen 1 1 2 1 3 1. These are the isotopes of hydrogen because this is protium, this is deuterium, and this is tritium. This is tritium. So in this case, for protium atomic number or proton number is 1, for deuterium atomic number is also 1, and for tritium atomic number is also 1, but the mass number for protium is 1, deuterium is 2, for tritium is 3. So we can see the proton number or atomic number for protium, deuterium, tritium is same, but mass number is different. So we may say that protium, deuterium, tritium are isotopes of each other. So the isotope means the atom of an element that have same atomic number or proton number but different mass number. So these are the isotopes of hydrogen. Next, creative question, and importance you will read from your textbook. It is very easy. Now creative question estimates that P is an element of atomic number 11 and mass number 23, and Q is another element of atomic number 17. What is mass number? Mass number is the summation of proton and neutron number. Mass number is equal to proton and neutron number. Next, what do you mean by isotopes? The atom of an element that have same atomic number but different mass number is known as isotopes. For example, protium, deuterium, tritium. For protium, atomic number 1, deuterium atomic number 1, tritium atomic number 1. So the atomic number is same, but the mass number is different. So these are the isotopes of hydrogen. Next, calculate the proton, electron and neutron number of p element of p element. The information of p element is given that, say, given that atomic number of p element is 11. p element is 11. So the proton number of p will be 11, because the proton number of an atom of an element is known as the atomic number of that element. Next, and we also know that the proton number and the electron number is equal. So the electron number of p will be also 11. So proton number is 11, electron number is 11. Now Newton number. We know mass number is equal to proton number plus Newton number. Here mass number is given 23, proton number is 11. So we can calculate Newton number. That means 23 minus 11, 12. So 12 is the Newton number of p element. So this is the calculation of proton number, electron number and Newton number of p element. Next, D question number D. Describe the formation of PQ compound with equation. So p element is sodium, because the atomic number of p is 11, this is sodium, and q element is chlorine, because its atomic number is 17. So the electronic configuration of or electronic distribution of sodium is 2, 8 and 1, and the electronic distribution of chlorine is 2, 8 and 7. This is the electronic distribution of sodium and chlorine. To obtain the state of inert gas, which is a stable state, that means to obtain the stable state, sodium needs to eliminate one electron from its outermost orbit, and for chlorine it needs to accept one electron in its outermost orbit to get the state of inert gas. So sodium will eliminate the electron from its outermost orbit or last orbit. So Na plus is formed and the electronic distribution will be 2, 8. which is similar to the electronic distribution of neon, inert gas neon. So it is the stable distribution, electronic distribution. So Na plus, which is formed, named cation, sodium cation is formed. Next, this eliminated electrons is accepted by chlorine in its outermost orbit. So chlorine, the electronic distribution of chlorine will be 288 after accepting one electron. So chlorine will be negatively charged, which is known as an anion. So it is cation and it is anion. So if we write this in a chemical reaction, then sodium eliminates one electron from its outermost orbit and forms Na plus, and chlorine receive this or that electrons and forms Cl minus. So electrostatic force is developed between these two opposite charges. By this force, Na plus and Cl minus, NaCl compound is formed, which is an ionic compound. So the equation is that chlorine NaCl. This is the final compound, which is PQ compound, and it is an ionic compound. So this is the answer of D question. I hope all of you have understood this. So be serious about these topics and study hard and be safe. Thank you very much.